How to resize and compress videos in Canva. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily resize and compress videos in Canva to fit different formats and reduce file size for online sharing. So first of all, you're going to open any Canva project and you're going to upload a specific video. For example, I'm going to choose this. Now you can see that there is a massive difference between the size of the video and the size of and the dimensions of the page. So what you're going to do is simply, select this video and then you're going to click on crop over here. And then you can select what kind of crop you want. For example, I'm going to click on this one over here and then click on done. And now you can see that the video has been cropped. So you can resize it by dragging it like this. So I'm going to resize it so that it matches the page's size and dimensions. So I'm going to crop it something like this. I'm going to resize it like this. And if you want to change the crop, you can simply click on it again and change the dimensions again. So here you can see now it has finally, fixed the size and reached the dimensions of the page. And that was how you can resize it. Now I'm going to tell you how you can compress it. So first of all, you can head over, click on share, and then you're going to click on download over here. And then you're going to scroll a bit down, and then you're going to click on this MP4 video over here. Click on it again, and then you have to lower the quality. Now, obviously, if you want to reduce the size, you got to simply, lower the quality, drag it a bit to the left, and then you're going to click on download. And once you do so, that resized and compressed video would be downloaded successfully. So that was basically how you can resize and compress videos in Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.